Brazil. This is how to have a white Christmas in Brazil. We wish we could be home in Reno, Nevada where it's snowy, but this year we can't due to COVID, but we're still gonna make the best of it. So if you wanna know how you can have a white Christmas in Brazil, watch this. Here are 7 fun activities for you and your family. Number 1, snowflakes. So we cut these out of printer paper, made little snowballs and all kinds of snowflake designs. And we just moved into this new house just a couple weeks ago. So we don't have furniture in our TV room yet, but this is our beautiful snow display. Tip number 2, Snowcones. That makes the snow cones creamy and delicious. Try some. Number 3, snow globes. Okay, so what you need for snow globes is a glue gun, clear glue with some glue sticks. We have Christmas ornaments, jars. You can buy mason jars or use your own jars. And we have glitter or snow, and we're gonna show you how to make them. Number 4, ice cream snowman. So this one is an edible treat, and you can just get whatever you want that you can decorate a snowman with. All right, here we go. He's already melting. It's so hot in Brazil. Number 5, snowmaking.
Let's do this.
Okay, so this is all you need. This is baking soda and white hair conditioner, and maybe just some scissors to open the package. And then I bought 3 packages of baking soda per kid, but I think a kilo of this would be fun for a couple kids. All right, here we go. So now I'm going to add this conditioner. I'm gonna try and pour it and film. And there's really no real amount that you need to add. Just start with a little bit of conditioner in it. And now go ahead and mix it with your hands. Let's see, squish it. That totally looks like snow. So does this feel like real snow? Is this replacing the same thing?
It feels like snow, but not cold.
Number 6, snow fight with whipped cream. Everybody gets 1 or 2 cans of whipped cream and you just go for it. teams, boys against girls. We're getting ready to go to our Christmas dinner, but first, we want to have some action. So, we've got snowballs made from cotton, but you can scratch paper, you can do tulle, make these in different ways. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go! 7 amazing tips to play with snow in Brazil in a tropical climate. So, hope you had fun. We hope you had a fabulous Christmas and see you next year. Yay!